Hi friends, here the first and third term of a arithmetic progression, first and third terms are equal to the first and third terms of a geometric progression respectively. That means first one of AP equals first one of GP, third one of AP equals third one of GP. Second of the AP exceeds second of GP by 0.25 and first term of the AP is 2. What is the sum of first five terms of the AP? Again, a straightforward problem. We just need to use our basic formula. Let us assume these three numbers in terms of AP is 2, 2 plus D, 2 plus 2D. Why 2? Because first term of AP is already given as 2. So the second term will become 2 plus D, common difference is D. Third term will become 2 plus 2D. Similarly, because GP also first term is equal to AP, GP first term will also be 2. The second term will be 2R because GP it will be the ratio, right? 2R and third term will become 2R into R, which is 2R square. Here it is given second term of AP exceeds second term of GP by 0.25. That means 2 plus D minus 2R equals 0.25. What does that mean? 2R equals, if you take this side, 2 plus D minus 0.25. 2 minus 0.25 is 1.75, right? Which is equal to 74, right? So 2R equals 7 by 4 plus D. Right, 2R equals 7 by 4 plus D. R comes 7 by 8 plus D by 2. This is from the first part. We got some R equals 7 by 8 plus D by 2. Now from the second part, that means 2 plus 2D equals 2R square. That is first and third of the GP, or sorry, third of AP equals third of GP. That is 2 plus 2D equals 2R square. That means 1 plus D equals R square. We are just crossing 2. That means 1 plus D equals, what is R? R is 7 by 8 plus D by 2. We are getting everything in the form of D so that it is easy for simplification and find out what is D. We are converting everything R also into the format of D. So 1 plus D equals 7 by 8 plus D by 2 whole square, which is 49 by 64 plus D by 2 whole square, which is D square by 4 plus 2 times 7 by 8 times D by 2. So that is 7 by 8 D. Right. Now, if you take LCM, it will be 64 only. 49 plus 16D square plus 8 into 7, 56D. Right. If you take LCM 164, the 64 will take it this side. This equation simplifies to 64 plus 60D, 64D equals this one. That means 16D square, we can keep it like this. 56 minus 64 is minus 8D and 49 minus 64 is minus 15. We need to break this. We need to factorize this. 16 into 15, we have to factorize into two numbers so that their sum is minus 8. So what is 16 into 15? It is 8 into 2 into 3 into 5. Right? 8 into 2 is 16, 3 into 5 is 15. We can write it as 4 into 4 into 3 into 5. Right? 8 into 2 is 16, 4 into 4. Now 4 5 is 20 and 4 3 is 12. Right? And minus 20 plus 12 is minus 8. Let's factorize it like this. Right? 16d square minus 20d plus 12d minus 15 equals 0. 4d into d minus 5 plus 3 into d minus 5 equals 0. D is either minus 3 by 4 or 5 by 4. Right? And what is our d is minus 3 by 4. What is our r? R is 7 by 8 plus d by 2. Right? 7 by 8 plus d by 2. D by 2 is minus 3 by 8. 7 by 8 minus 3 by 8, which is 7 by 8 minus 3 by 8. Right? Which is 4 by 8. R is half. Right. If R is half, for the first number is 2, second number will be 1, third number will be half. Similarly, D is minus 3 by 4, first number is 2, second number is minus 3 by 4 means minus 0.75. 2 minus 0.75 is 1.25, which is 5 by 4. 1.25 minus 0.25 is zero point 0.5. This is the AP and this is the GP. Right. Now, sum of first 5 terms of the AP. That is the question, right? First five terms is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is 5 by 2 into 2a is 2 times 2 4 plus n minus 1, that is 5 minus 1 4 into d, which is minus 3 by 4. So 4 and 4 we can cancel. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 into 5 by 2, which is 2.5. This is when we take d as minus 3.3 by 4. That is minus 0.75. D has the other value which is 5 by 4, which is 1.25 also. So if first term is 2, then second term will be 2 plus 1.25, 3.25. Third term will be 3.25 plus 1.25, which is 4.5. And when D is 5 by 4, what will R be? R is 7 by 8 plus D by 2. 7 by 8 plus 5 by 8. D by 2 is 5 by 8. 7 by 8 plus 5 by 8 is 12 by 8, which is 3 by 2. So if R is 3 by 2, first term is 2, second term is 3 into 2, 3 by 2 into 2, which is 3. Third term is 3 into 3 by 2, which is 4.5. Now sum of the first 5 terms of the AP, that is what we wanted, which is n by 2 into 2a, 2 times 2, which is 4, plus n minus 1, 5, 5 minus 1 is 4, 4 into what is the 5 by 4. This 4 and this 4 will get cancelled, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 times 5 by 2. Right, which is 45 by 2, which is 22.5. So these are the two solutions for this problem. Two answers for the sum of first five terms. There are actually two APs which will satisfy this condition, and these are the two sums. Right, guys? Hope you like this. Thank you.